Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app. Following that, select Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then click on those three dots at the top right one. Click on Settings and adjust all of those under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. When you finished, go back and add your alarm by selecting this plus icon. Over here, set up an hour and choose OK at the bottom right corner. Finally, you can adjust your alarm however you wish to. In order to add a label, click on the top, type in wherever you wish to and click on OK. Now pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones and tap on this little icon next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Finally, select this bell and tap on one of those sources. You can click on Spotify or YouTube Music and log into your account in order to use songs from it. You can also tap on Sounds, choose Add New, and pick music from your smartphone by clicking on the one that you wish to set up and going back. You can also just select one of those sounds instead, like Krypton. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. To hide all of those settings, tap on this little icon above the sweater. If you want to disable your alarm completely, click on this sweater next to days of the week. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to get rid of your alarm though, select the same icon at the top right corner next to the label. Choose Delete at the bottom left one and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!